Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Smart Living. I hope you are doing well. Today, I will let you know that how can you earn $100 daily from Google AdSense on a very low budget. So let's know that how to make $100 a day with CPA affiliate offers on a low budget. Making $100 daily from Google AdSense on a low budget requires strategic planning and consistent effort. Here's a basic roadmap to get you started. 1. Niche selection. Choose a niche with high demand and relatively low competition. Research topics that have a high CPC cost per click rate. 2. Content creation. Produce high-quality content regularly. It could be blog posts, videos, or other forms of media. Ensure your content is engaging and valuable to your audience. 3. SEO optimization. Optimize your content for search engines to attract organic traffic. Use relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and proper formatting to improve visibility. 4. Ad placement. Strategically place AdSense ads within your content to maximize clicks and earnings. Experiment with different ad formats and sizes to find what works best for your audience. 5. Promotion. Promote your content through social media, email marketing, forums, and other channels to drive traffic to your website or platform. 6. Audience engagement. Engage with your audience through comments, forums, and social media platforms to build a loyal following and encourage repeat visits. 7. Monitor performance. Keep track of your AdSense performance using analytics tools provided by Google. Analyze which content performs best and optimize accordingly. 8. Continuous improvement. Continuously refine your strategies based on performance data. Test different approaches, learn from your mistakes, and adapt to changes in your niche or audience preferences. Remember, making $100 daily from AdSense is achievable but requires dedication, patience, and ongoing optimization. It may take time to see significant results. So stay focused and persistent in your efforts. Low-budget CPA affiliate offers. If you're working with a low budget for Google Ads and aiming for a $100 per day CPA cost per acquisition in affiliate marketing, here are some strategies you could consider. 1. Keyword research. Focus on long-tail keywords that are relevant to the products or services you're promoting. These keywords tend to have less competition and can be more cost-effective. 2. Targeting. Use targeting options such as location, demographics, and interests to reach your ideal audience. This can help you maximize your budget by showing ads to people who are more likely to convert. 3. Ad copy. Write compelling ad copy that highlights the benefits of the product or service you're promoting. Use strong calls to action to encourage clicks and conversions. 4. Landing pages. Create dedicated landing pages for your ads that are optimized for conversion. Make sure the landing pages provide clear information and make it easy for users to take the desired action, for example, making a purchase or signing up. 5. Ad extensions. Take advantage of ad extensions, such as site links, callouts, and structured snippets to provide additional information and make your ads more appealing. 6. Conversion tracking. Set up conversion tracking too. Monitor the performance of your ads and optimize them for better results. This will allow you to identify which keywords, ads, and Targeting options are driving the most conversions. 7. Budget allocation. Monitor your budget closely and allocate it to the campaigns, ad groups, and keywords that are generating the best results. Adjust your bids and budgets as needed to maximize your ROI. 8. Continuous optimization. Regularly review and optimize your campaigns based on performance data. Test different ad creatives, landing pages, and targeting options to identify what works best for your audience. Remember to comply with Google Ads policies and regulations, and always disclose your affiliate relationships as required by law. Starting with a low budget, it's important to closely monitor your campaigns and gradually scale them as you gain more insights and confidence in their performance. Now let's have a look on what low-budget CPA affiliate offers. When working with a low budget for CPA affiliate marketing, it's important to focus on offers that have a higher likelihood of converting and offer competitive payouts. Here are some types of CPA affiliate offers that can work well with a limited budget. 1. Lead generation offers. Promote offers where you get paid for generating leads, such as email, sign-ups, form submissions, or free trial registrations. These offers often have lower barriers to entry and can be easier to convert. 2. Free trial offers. Promote products or services that offer free trials. You can earn a commission for each user who signs up for a free trial, even if they don't make a purchase immediately. This can be a good way to earn commissions while building a relationship with the audience. 3. Mobile app installs. Promote mobile apps and earn a commission for each user who installs the app. Look for apps with high demand and good user reviews to increase the likelihood of conversions. 4. Survey offers. Promote survey websites where users can earn rewards or cash for completing surveys. These offers can attract a wide audience and often have high conversion rates. 5. Digital product offers. Promote digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or software downloads. Since there are no physical products to ship, the commissions are often higher, making them suitable for low-budget campaigns. 6. Niche offers. Focus on niche markets with less competition, where you can target a specific audience more effectively. Look for niche products or services that solve a particular problem or cater to a specific audience segment. 7. Low-cost offers. Promote products or services with low upfront costs, making it easier for users to make a purchase decision. Even if the commission per sale is lower, you can still earn a decent income by driving a high volume of conversions. 8. Recurring commission offers. Look for offers that provide recurring commissions for ongoing subscriptions or memberships. While the initial payout may be lower, you can earn passive income over time as long as the users remain subscribed. Well, dear viewers, that was all for today. I hope this video can help you to get $100 a day from Google Ads with very low-budget CPA affiliate offers. If this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching me. I will see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.